Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this skip pluck method. You want to know how it's done? Don't blink and let's get right into it. Now all you need for this is your hot comb, your take comb and your tweezer. So first I'm going to get my comb, and then like that pre-pluck part for on the frontal. I'm going to like section that out before starting the hot combing. Once I'm done sectioning that part, I'm going to get my hot comb, and then I'm going to just hot comb backward with just small amounts of wax stick, but that's optional. I didn't use anyway. You can do that, but I didn't. So now this week I've already bleached it. So it's bleached already. And if you want to know how to bleach your frontal, I have a video for you that you can watch in this channel on how to bleach your frontal, and you can go see that. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do the skip pluck method. Now uh, I'm using my hot comb, and then I'm going to just hot comb as you can see I'm doing the video, and then I'm going to get my tweezer. uh, One thing I'll advise when doing this plucking is for you to get a not too sharp tweezer. Like some tweezer these days are very sharp, so you don't want to like end up messing up the frontal. We don't want that. So I'm going to get my tweezer, and then I'm going to just pluck, as you can see, from front to the back, like just one spot. Just focus on one spot and just pluck from the front to the back. And now when doing this, when plucking, most times you feel that you're not doing anything. Don't worry, just focus, and then you get the results. And what I'm doing here is after like plucking one part of the air, and then I'm going to now skip like half quarter of the air, as you can see in the video, and then move to the next session, and then also do the same thing that I did before, like focus on one particular place and just twist to the back, like one inch and a half to the back. I don't know if that makes sense. So now it's just like once you pluck one section of the air to the back, then you move like half quarter, and then you pluck again, and then move like half quarter, and then pluck till you're satisfied, you get. So this method is like good, and is good for maybe when you want to do your widow's peak and other, you get the Lagos airline. So it's very good because it will make your work very easy for you. You get, and you can also do this for your wig, your closure, and any frontal that you want to install to make your work very neat and fine, flawless. So I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to just keep doing this, move half quarter, and then continue like that till I'm satisfied. So that's pretty it. It's easy, nothing too much. Just keep doing this, and then you are good to go. Just wash, and I'm going to come back and show you the full results once I'm done. Once I'm done with this part of the hair, I'm then going to move to the other side and then do the same thing. I'm going to repeat the same thing. Another thing is, some people like to pluck their wig while it's wet. I don't know, whatever works for you. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I do the dry plucking. So whatever works for you, I can do anyone that I want to. Just try it too and know what works for you. That's it. guys, we are done with the plucking. Now this is the result of how it's going to turn out. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.